Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel, and I do some reviews. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you so much for joining me again for another video. Today I'm doing a random pop-up Coach unboxing, and this is kind of a little bit of a trailer from my last bag video, it was a video about all my flat bags, and in that video I did like a shout out for a certain bag that I have been yearning to find, and they quit making this bag. So this is a discontinued bag. I did reach out to my subscriber friend because I knew that she had like a gang of these bags at one point in time. And Linda, if you're watching, thank you so much. Her and I have been chatting and we've been talking a lot about stuff other than bags through Instagram. And I'm just so happy and grateful that she had this color in her collection. She also had chalk, and I went for this one. So you probably already know what this bag is, you guys. It's not gonna be a surprise. So here it is. She sent it, it just came. I have not opened it at all. This is a true unboxing. The funny thing about it is this bag was originally bought by Erin, the handbag housewife, who's like one of my closest, bestest friends. And Erin takes such amazing care of all of her bags. She's very particular. Even when they come to her, like if it's not a good bag, she'll return it, which is good because we're all picky when it comes to bags. So I knew that this one then went to Linda because Linda bought it from Erin. So it then comes to me because, you know, that's just how it is. She packed it beautifully. It's bubble wrapped very, very well. Oh my God. Okay, so here we have the bag. She even put it in a plastic bag, which was really sweet. Okay. Linda, you did so nice on the packing. All right, here we have it. So that was my thumbnail. I'm just joking. I'm probably gonna take a different thumbnail pic. All right, you guys. Ooh, oh, I love this color. Okay, here we have, this was thoughtful, by the way. We have the Coach Chambray Pillow Madison. Oh, it's gorgeous. And this thing is new, and the color is darker than what I thought it was gonna be, which is good. I love it. For some reason, I thought that this blue was gonna be like a baby blue, but it is really kind of like a true, you know what it reminds me of is like summertime tablecloths, like the checkered tablecloths that you would like eat off of, like on a picnic table. Is that weird? Like a gingham blue. That's what this reminds me of. And then it has zero wear on this trim lock. I think Linda said that she didn't use it, maybe once, and then Erin probably the same, like one time. The bottom, so hold on. So loving my quilted tabby. I haven't changed out of this all week. I love it because it has the flat bottom, and I just love the silver hardware. It's fresh, it's just casual. I love this bag. So with these bags though, they don't have a flat base, so sometimes they can like tip back and like fall on your countertop like that. But you have to pack it with stuff. And I weight mine down. Okay, this looks phenomenal on the inside. I have a pillow insert that my friend at the Doty Pillow Inserts, she's supposed to be sending me one, and I'm waiting on that to come because I really love to stuff my pillow Madisons, but it smells great. You guys, this is brand new. This bag is new. There's zero wear. My gunmetal, my black one that has the gunmetal, I get it. Like this is gonna get wear on it, but there is no wear at all on these grommets It's really, really nice. Yeah, the back quilts look really nice. It's all lined up. Okay, I'm super happy, super pumped. So I can finally say that my Pillow Madison collection is complete. Like, I've had collections of 3. I've had 3 Speedy 30s. I've had like 3 Balenciaga City bags. I've had a lot of 3s, but to me, a collection of a style that I love is complete when you hit 4. And in fact, Erin and I were talking about it. It's like, if it's not 2, it has to be 4. We have had some collections of 3s, but doesn't it just feel right when it's an even number? I don't know, am I weird like that? Because then 5 just doesn't feel right. Then you have to go to 6, and then it becomes like, okay, I'm in a hoarding situation. But yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, even the hang tag is shrink tubed. So that's nice. And I guarantee you Erin did that. So I'm excited. I think I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm gonna wear this bag tomorrow. And the kids and I do wanna go to Worlds of Fun maybe tomorrow. So maybe I won't wear this bag tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear like, I always just wear a backpack to Worlds of Fun all the time. So, okay, you guys, well, this was just like a really quick impromptu video about the Pillow Madison. Here's again, just kind of like a side-by-side of the 2. I still love this bag. And guys, I was gonna ask you your opinion about the Times Square tabby because it is kind of growing on me now. There's an Instagrammer, his name is Mark Hart's Bags. He is a Coach SA. He recently bought, I wanna put a picture of his bag in here. He recently bought the Times Square tabby in the size 26 size. It's in the black. That's the only color that they have out right now in it. For some reason, that bag is so gorgeous to me now. I don't know what it is. Like, and I'm trying to do away with so many bags that have the big C on the front. You know what I mean? Like there's just so many bags with this C, and the Times Square tabby has that. And I just don't know if I get it or not. Like, give me your advice. Do I just stay put and not get any more Coach bags that have this C on the front? Nothing else is really speaking to me though right now from the brand. Maybe that little Originals Hobo that they have out that's similar to the Ergo, but it's pretty small. So, but no, I think for right now I'm actually pausing on buying bags after this one. So, but that changes like on a weekly basis. So yeah, I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Linda. And yeah, she's gorge. I'm so grateful. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great weekend ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.